Val Squad Rise. Today, we have finally got the pre-ordered untradeable debut icon pack. Look, you can get 2 bold Brazilians from this, but you only want one. His name is R9. Push everything else to the side. Look, this is gonna start up my FC26 ultimate team. So let's go. This goalkeeper. No, we got a goalkeeper. No, what? Wait, ooh. Hold on. Wait, you know what? You're dancing, I'ma let you dance. His stats actually look all right. Khan, okay. The first pack of FC26 is Khan. How tall is he? 6'2", okay. 90 reflexes. This is a good starter keeper. The pack could have been better, but it could have been worse. We'll take it.